Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. We are still on the gist from the palace of Oni of Ife. My people, wonder they say shall never end. If you look in this screen, you will see two goats. One is human head, while one is goat head. For this life things are happening, things dey happen, but who no go know. Omo, if you know, you know. Anyway, I don't know whether you've watched the videos we posted where they said that Aunty Gbi and Aunty Blue Blue, that they buried one Bereave pot in the palace and they don't know the rules and regulations guiding that Bereave pot. Later, that Bereave pot was uprooted and they burnt, and the thing started causing them serious problem. Like they started having itchings on their body. If they come to the palace, they will start having itchings. And for them to be free from that particular issue, they are supposed to perform a ritual, as we heard allegedly. So that ritual that they are supposed to perform, the king said that there are a lot of pots that have been buried in the palace, and because of that, you people are not going to perform this ritual. That in short, whether there is pot buried or not, that you are not performing the ritual. Why did you bring in evil pot and bury it in the palace at the first time? That there's nothing like a ritual. And since then, my people, since then, the palace have been a no-go area for Aunty Blue Blue and Aunty Igbi, and that is our prayers. If they will continue to be wherever they are without coming to the palace, thank God for that. So my people, they have been trying their best. They have been trying. In short, the last time we heard that they told the king that he should tell Mama Tadenikawo to call them on a meeting so that they will make peace. I think why they are having that itchings is because they wanted to hurt Mama Tadenikawo, but God in his infinite mercy protected her and nothing happened to her. Okay, so they said that the king should tell Mama Tade that she should call for peacemaking meeting, that if not, that she's not going to come back to this palace. And that was why they said they blocked her way. I don't know where maybe they were parked outside waiting for her to come. The time they said that she was packing, as in bringing some of her loads back to the palace, because she wants to come back to the palace before this end of this June. So these two now stood on the gate and blocked Mama Tadenikawo from carrying her loads to the palace. So it was the king that even made them to leave the way, but So my people, that ritual that the king said that they are not going to perform, they have been trying everything possible to perform it. Every means, in short, this time around na spiritual method they want to use. They don't use Kayamata method, use Babalawo method, use physical method. All of this method where they talk now na method where dem be. Now they want to use spiritual appearing and disappearing method. They don't use appearing and disappearing. Okay, that one no be correct one. Now this one now na im be the correct appearing and the disappearing So we heard that that the king employed more guards in the palace because of the palace is a very big place. The palace is a very big place, and that is why they said that the king employed more workers in that place, so that People will be walking, and then guards will be seeing what is happening in the palace. It's not like like before. They said that some people were at the gates while others were in some places. So things may be happening at the backyard. Nobody will see it. Nobody will know about it. But right now, anything that will happen, any little thing that will happen, the king will know. Everybody will know that such thing is happening. So that is what we heard though. And the king also mounted CCTV camera everywhere, in the sense that nothing will happen in the palace without anybody noticing it. So these guards were at the backyard where they were walking. Those people that was staying in the backyard. They saw goats, two goats. The goats just like appeared inside the palace and immediately turned to human. Hey, no be small matter. Hey, they were like, Jesus, what is happening? They started looking for the goat. The thing happened this way. They saw two goats at the gate. Okay, that was when they later used the CCTV camera to check, because they caught these two women inside the palace, and we are like asking them, how did the people come into this place? And that area they went is the same area where they said that they are going to do the ritual. They now walked in. They now caught these two women and started asking them, how did you get into this palace? They could not say. They now went and on the CCTV camera and found out that it was two goats that they saw at the gate. And how the two goats came in, they don't even know. What they are seeing again is two human being. They started searching for the goats. They could not see the goats. That means these two goats appeared, and they want to perform that ritual inside that palace, because the king said that they are not going to perform that ritual, and they want to perform it by fire by force. That means they can turn to goat and come, and they will come in form of goats and will appear in form of human being, so that they will do exactly what the king said that they should not do. My people, wahala dey o. I was like, are you sure? Okay, my own is that whose face? Like, they are supposed to know the face of the women they saw now. If I think some of these guys are from Ile-Ife. So if they see someone from Ile-Ife, they're supposed to know now. Some people, it's not that they must know everybody. I was like, whose face is that? Is the face of any member of that palace? Like, is it the face of these two Ati Blue and the Atigbi? Let me know now, because they are operating in a higher level this time. Let's know whether they are the real people that this guard caught. They don't tell us whether they are the real people. I'm just asking this question. But anyway, share my people. Things they happen, things they happen. But they say the person wey sing am for song say, many things dey happen o. Na only Jesus dey save us. Many things dey happen o. As I no go be afraid. Many things dey happen o. Many things dey happen o. Many things dey happen o. Hey, na God go save us anyway. Thank you, and don't forget that they are alleged information o. I was not there o. Na here I hear o. Bye.